I didn't even get to like do cubes. That was terrible. Alright, let's try again. Hopefully this opponent will like think for more than 3 seconds a move, and I can actually like do this. Jack of Hearts, 3 of Clubs, King of Hearts. What was the beginning of this? Bowser cooking wedding dress. Okay. Marty cooking snakes in pursuit. Okay. Two. Now we play knight c6, right? Yeah. This is a fun little line. Castles. This is fun. If the knight moves here to have the discovered over here, you take the bishop instead, and the queen can't recapture because your queen is eyeing the square. So then the queen has to move, right? Because the bishop's hitting it. And then you just take the knight. Okay. Bishop e5. How does... Wait, what? So... How does this work? Okay, so you're trying to give me a discover check. Your queen is just hanging. Am I missing something? Your queen is just hanging, dude. I take your queen, you can take my knight. What am I missing? Wait, why can't I do that? Okay, so bishop e5. Oh, the knight. Okay, so yeah. Bishop takes f3. So your queen is again hit, and your bishop is just hanging. What did I miss? This game I win too fast to... Alright. I think I just have to let my clock run more, bang this out, and then finish the game. So I'm gonna have to start doing that. Rook e1. Now we go castle on. This square is weak. Do I care? No. Don't care. Alright. Then we have 7 of diamonds, 2 of hearts. Okay, so cards are done. Bishop b3, my queen is here, my knight is here, there's castle long. So his king is floating over here. He just played b3. His rook is on e1. Okay, so I can't move my queen here. Alright, so game plan as I see it, get my pawns to look nice like this, get my bishop out with some hope of someday doing something like this with the rook and the bishop. Alright, so he has pawns like this now. But, okay, so my queen is here, so don't blunder that. His queen is here. Alright, so is this too slow? Try to hit this. Wait. He has no knight on b1. Or do I want to do something like this with these hopes? He doesn't have a bishop on, or any pawn on b4. I know he doesn't have one on e4. Or on d4. He doesn't have a d4. Okay. Let's hope that there's no crazy blunder. So if I get this right, this isn't the actually, it's not done on the screen. Or it's not done with, I'm just trying to do it from memory. Okay, so there's 5 of hearts, 5 of hearts, 6 of hearts, 7 of spades, 3 of diamonds, 3 diamonds, queen of hearts, no, king of diamonds, queen of hearts, jack of hearts, 3 of clubs. Jack of hearts, 3 of clubs. King of hearts, 8 of diamonds, queen of spades, 6 of diamonds, 7 of hearts, 10 of hearts, 8 of spades, 9 of diamonds, ace of spades, 10 of spades. What's next? 3 of hearts, 4 of clubs. 3 hearts, 4 clubs. Oh, ace of diamonds. 5 of diamonds, ace of clubs, queen of diamonds, 2 of spades, 4 of spades, queen of clubs, 3 of spades, 8 of hearts. I forgot the 8 of hearts part. There's a separate screen where I'll actually be like putting them in from blank. This is just me going over it. Alright, so he's played d3. d3 is, I guess, an attempt to stop me from doing this, which I'm gonna do. Who's blowing me up? Oh, Facebook message. Okay. Okay, I don't see the hurt in doing this. His queen is here. Like, okay, so if his queen is here on the square, right? Bishop can go here, and then I'm just getting chased away, right? but it seems like I just have, you know, this control, and I'm eyeing his rook. His bishop's in the way. If his bishop tries to interpose, I take. His bishop could go here, but then still have this monster queen just eyeing everything. And then we start to storm up. Let's see, did I play... Sorry, okay, so this is queen. Did I just try my queen? No, I couldn't have. So he's got bishop here. Wait, so he has rook b1, rook e1. So he has this pawn just chilling here, right? He has this bishop, his queen's over here. What's stopping me from taking this pawn? Okay, where were we? 3 of spades, 8 of hearts, jack of spades, king of spades, jack of diamonds, 10 of diamonds, 10 of clubs, 2 of clubs, 7 of clubs, king of clubs, ace of hearts, I don't remember, 8 of clubs, okay. We have 7 of diamonds, 2 of hearts, 9 of clubs, 4 of diamonds, 2 of diamonds, 6 of clubs, 5 of clubs, 4 of hearts, 5 of spades, 9 of hearts, 6 of spades, jack of clubs, 9 of spades. Okay, that's good. Now we're just hightailing it back with our queen. And we're just escaping with our advantage. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to work on the cube. Queen h3 check. Okay. I'm not worried about it. BDRB AO. Oh, it's my turn. Rook d8 check. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Does this, like, work or something? I'm so confused. So the rooks are... Okay, I need to pay attention. So the rooks are traded. His other rook... His other rook's still e1. His queen's over here in the middle of nowhere. So I have a knight here, a bishop's still here. I think he missed that happens. Okay, so what I'm looking at, I think he missed that this happens. That the knight works like that. Okay. TRBAO, TNA. here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna retreat the queen back, watch the knight, get ready to get this bishop out, because right now it's just hard to keep track of it and do this at the same time. All right. So our corner memo right now is BD, RB, AO, TNA. Then we have WP. Oh shit. Okay. We're not gonna. Do I not have this pawn anymore? What happened to my e-pawn? Oh, right, e-pawn. E5. I played e5. Oh, I did? Okay. That makes this much easier then. So he's played a4, he goes a5. I'm happy to block that off. Oh wait, well it'll be a6, not a5. Okay. BD, RB, AO, TNA, WP, SR. IH. Okay, he's played C5. He has a pawn on B4, doesn't he? Where is B4? I don't see B4. He's B5. Did I ever take on B5? Oh, that was bishop B5. Does he not have a pawn on B4? Yikes. Bishop takes. Oh, right. Shit. Okay. We have increment, so let's just build up a little bit of time. We'll be fine. Alright, so this is defending this. I can start to think about chasing this, maybe. Because my queen is protecting this. I really should just start working on getting these pawns up the board. Just tuck my king away somewhere safe. And enjoy my advantage. Okay. Oh, fuck. This is so hard. Doing it all at once. Queen e3. Okay. Queen e3 is eyeing. Oh, I can just take. I'm happy to take. I'm up material. Rook's still here, bishop gone. Pawn's here, knight here. Okay, queen e3. He's not trying to trade. Oh no, the knight's gone. The knight's gone. King's here. Okay, so we're gonna start storming. Queen's on e3. Okay, so we have pawns like this. The queen defends this one, that's fine. King's here. Okay, we're doing fine. His rook's still on e1, I believe. Rook d1? No, he removed it to d1. Okay, so rook over here. He has a pawn on e4. I lost my stupid... I was up a piece and I hung it because I was like, oh yeah, let me just forget that he has a bishop over here. Okay, so he's played queen f3. Do we move here? We do this first. Okay, I see it. He's on queen f3. We have queen here. We have pawns like this. Then we go here, because then we're hitting this pawn and the queen as well. b4 is not threatening anything, right? I don't have time to check. Alright, so we're hitting the queen and the pawn defend this pawn. The rook is coming in. The king's still on g1. Alright, so we have a nice attack going. He's played b4. I don't think that threatens anything. Okay, and my memo's done. So there's that. Okay, so what does he play? Queen e3. Alright, we take. I don't know if I should have taken. G takes h3. There comes a check. King f1. I'm gonna try to just build up a little bit of time here. BF. See if I can't swindle something. He has a pawn here. Shit. I don't want to flag. Alright, this is what I need to do. Just make a bunch of quick moves. Queen's on g7. I'm so like, oh, goddamn. Not for the time. Oh, wait. Do we win? I know his king's here. Oh, what a mistake. Your best bet's probably take the rook back. Oh, dude, if you're just down a queen for a rook, like, I'm smoking you. I'm smoking your boots. Okay. I have the memo for cards done. I have the memo for the cube done. Actually, I could probably start the cards now. Okay. Queen takes e7. Okay. I still have to move fast. Okay, I'm gonna switch the scene to cards now. Okay, rook e1. Oh shit. I don't know what he's trying to do. He's trying to swindle me. F3. Wait, what? King e2. His rook is on e1. Queen h2 check. I have a flight square, right? King e3. Rook e2. Queen takes h3. Okay, I forgot where my queen was. This is so tense. Okay. No, not that.
Man, I'm gonna break my monitor. I swear.
Brian 12. I hope I said your name right. Thanks for coming to the stream. Rook f2. Shite. I hope I have enough time. Rook f2. Where's his king? His king's on e3. King e2. Okay, so this is... These are his pieces, right? His rook, his king, my queen. I'm just getting another queen, right? Rook takes h2. Okay. f4. king f4. I can start pushing this pawn, right? My queen's on f6. King e4. I don't remember at all where any of his pawns are. Where's my queen? f6? Wait, resigned. Okay. All I have to do now is finish the cards and the cube and I'm good. Okay. So we're on the 7 of spades. This is, 1 second. Oh, I didn't do it. I forgot to put it. And we have the 3 of diamonds. So for the cards, I use a person action object system. So I imagine the 5 of hearts is Bowser. The 6 of hearts is Chef from South Park cooking. So Bowser's cooking and the 7 of spades is a wedding dress. Bowser's cooking a wedding dress. The 3 of diamonds is Yugi from Yu-Gi-Oh! He's... what is he doing? He's burping fire on the... I'll just talk through them as I put the cards. He's burping fire on the Planet Express ship. Morty from Rick and Morty is killing snakes in Rick Sanchez's purge suit. Then we have Harry Potter performing an adult act, I'll say it that way, on Saddam from South Park. Then we have SpongeBob. SpongeBob is using a spirit bomb on a basketball. Then we have Master Chief twerking on... Master Chief is twerking on... I want to say he's twerking on Hitler. Master Chief is twerking on Hitler. This is happening. Then we have Darth Vader playing ping pong with a giant raven. Then we have Crash Bandicoot sleeping on a dragon. Then we have Kimmy Granger. What is she doing? She's giving a lecture with a bow and arrow. Then we have JD from Scrubs. And what is he doing? He's throwing a Pokeball at a guitar. Then we have Stephen Hawking sword fighting Zoidberg. Then we have Jesus hitting a home run in a theater spotlight. Then we have Michael Jackson using Rasengan on a bathrobe. Then we have Voldemort using a lightsaber to break beakers. Then we have Walter White taking his face off to reveal that he's really Drake, the rapper. Then we have Mike Tyson fighting the Bullrog. Mike Tyson is fighting the Bullrog. What is he? With a bong. Then we have Cell from Dragon Ball Z shooting a music video from a treasure chest. And then Einstein is in the last bedroom. And then we got him. We did them all. So, if I do the cube right, we will have successfully done it on just the second try. So, if I remember correctly, my memo for cubing is, and let me switch the scene. We are on the scene. Now we're on the scene. So my memo for this, for cubing, was BD, RB, AO, TNA. Then it was WP, SR, IHLD, UB. Yeah. Alright. Wish me luck. This one's tricky. I forget how to do this one. So it's UB. So it's this one. This one goes here. Okay. Then the corners were BD. So this goes here, this goes here, this goes here. BD. PQ, RB. What was it? BD, RB? Yes. This goes here, this goes here. BD, RB. A, O. So this goes to A. This goes to A. BD, AO. T, TN. Okay, TN, A. Let's go. I did it. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh, alright. So, that means bingo and bang. Oh, and don't forget, bang. Wow, that was, oh, holy shit, my brain is on fire right now. Oh, wow, that was so fucking hard. Oh my god. Like, after a while, I literally lost track of all the pieces on the board. I was like, I don't remember what pawns are where. My plan, I remember, so I pushed a pawn, I think here, and remember he had like some kingside pawns still, I think. His king was lurking over here. I had a queen here. My plan was to literally just queen here, pawn here, because he couldn't interfere with it because he had no pieces left, and then just buddy my queens up, and then just hunt the king down. Wow, that was so difficult. Oh wow.